Hey, it's Shay back again with another Make Money Online video, and in this one, I want to catch you up on a $700 a day campaign that I recently just showed my students. This one's really awesome, everyone was really psyched up to see it, and it really, most importantly, motivated so many of my students to keep going with their own campaigns and turn them into successes. So let me just show you this thing. I'm just going to jump straight into the network that I use. And this is one of my favorites at the moment, I have to say. I've started pushing more traffic to this one to really see what it can do. But I've definitely got more than, I would say, a handful of different networks that I use, all earning various amounts of money every day. Some very similar to this one here. Some a little bit less, of course. It does range. But, you know, when I add them all together, it's a really awesome amount of money every day. And I really just wanted to show you this report and the results of this campaign right here. So, as you can see, this red graph right here, this is the revenue. Alright, so it matches up with this column. And this has just been defaulted to the last 4 days. I'm going to extend this out in just a second, go back over the past month or so we can see some more numbers here. But while I just had it on this, I just wanted to show you the past 4 days, how it has, picked up a little bit. So just over $2,000 so far. We're in October, and today is the 19th as I've got it on. And so far today, it should be jumping up more than this. I would say over the $700 a day mark right there, like just a couple days ago on the 17th. But we're at $514 so far. So what I'll do, just so we can see a few more figures right now, I'm just going to go back to September and I will put in the 20th. I'll just hit the 20th there, submit that, run that report. Alright, so we've got some more numbers here now, and I'll just say also, in case you are wondering about what's actually happening here, and that of course is, I'm getting paid with clicks. Okay, I'm just generating clicks on my pages and I'm getting paid for each of those clicks. And, I again already know this is very foreign to a lot of different people online. They may have never heard of it. And if they have heard of it, they've never actually experienced making money online by generating just clicks. Okay, so I'm not generating leads. I'm not making sales or anything like that. It's just the clicks. And by clicks I mean, the click that comes certainly before the sale and even before the lead. So, when a funnel flows with traffic, usually a click will be a click to a landing page, and then the landing page will convert a lead, and then that landing page will redirect to a sales page and eventually make an actual sale. So I'm getting paid for the very start of that funnel process. And if you are not understanding what I'm saying, I'm just thinking this right now as I'm saying this, not many people may even understand what I'm saying. That's okay. You don't have to focus on that right now. You may just be looking for ways to make money online. Maybe you haven't made your first dollar online. That's all okay. I've had many students in the same situation, and they've gone on to make their first lot of money. They've now turned over successful campaigns, making money for themselves every single day. And that's actually part of the reason why I'm doing this video. For someone specifically such as yourself, you are looking for ways to make money online, and I know I can help you do it. And maybe you are making a bit of money already. Maybe you are around the $50 a day mark or $100 a day or so. I can certainly help you get to that next level where you really want to be. So while I'm here just right now for this video, I just want to show, we'll go back to when I actually just had all these, this date set. Alright, so we'll just show from the 20th. Alright, so as you can see, a few 150, 200, basically 300. Some of the days that are a bit lower, we may not actually even have pushed any traffic that day. It's just sort of snowballed over from previous days and rolled into the next couple days. And I'm also just noticing here, take a look at the RPC right here, so revenue per click, on that day, the 25th last month in September, I was getting paid $9.63 per click. Alright, so it didn't have as much traffic to push that day, but as I said, I've really tried to ramp it up a little bit over the past month or so. I've had this campaign actually running for around 2 years at this point, but I've just really wanted to try push a little more volume here to really see what it can do, because those RPCs, the cost per click payouts here, have really risen just recently. So, I mean, of course, any marketer is going to do the same thing. If a network's going to pay me more for my work, then I'll give them my traffic for a while at least anyway. So another one there, $9.76. I've had, even just last month or so, I've had, clicks in the $10 plus per click. So, I mean, it's basically there at that point anyway. So, as you can see, more $400 days right there, 601, 328, 303, 658, 463, alright, 420, 586, $708 in a day there, and on to today, $514 so far. So, the point of this video, as I said earlier, was to help people and motivate people such as yourself to go out there and make money online just like this. Just with these campaigns like this, it's exactly what I teach my students, and right now I've opened an opportunity for new students to come through and learn exactly what I do to run these campaigns. And I mean behind the scenes, setting up traffic, finding traffic sources and running them, pointing traffic to the right networks to get paid. Everything that is involved. I'm willing to show you if you are serious, and if you want to take advantage of this opportunity while I have it open, then all you have to do is take action right now. It's super simple. Just click the link at the top of the description now. It'll just be a quick bit.ly link to jump straight over to my site, and I'll just go to my site right now as well to show you what to do. It's really easy, so as soon as you've clicked the link in the description right at the top, go ahead and do that. Then you'll land on my site just like this, and all you have to do is enter your best email address right here on the site. Then just click the Get Instant Access button. That's going to get you instant access, and right at that moment I'm going to send you out a welcome email to get you started right now today. It's a bunch of important information, so go check your email address as soon as you have entered in your email address on my site. So again, go complete these steps, take advantage of this opportunity while I still have it open. I look forward to working with you and showing you everything you need to know to run campaigns just like I do and make real money online. Thanks so much for watching my video, and I'll talk to you soon.